Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the top related IPTV player applications currently available for your streaming devices, whether you're using an Android TV box, Google TV, or an Amazon Firestick. I'll provide the direct access codes and show you the step-by-step process for installing each one using the downloader utility. Before we dive into the setup, there is one essential configuration step you must complete. You'll need to activate developer options on your hardware to allow the installation of these media players. Once that's ready, we'll move straight into the setup and explore how these interfaces function. Let me show you exactly how to do that on your specific device. First, navigate to the settings menu on your box or television and scroll down until you find device preferences. From there, locate the About section, open that up, scroll to the very bottom, and find the entry labeled Build. You'll need to click on this exactly 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A small notification will pop up saying you are now a developer. With developer mode active, we can now head over to the Google Play Store to grab a tool called Downloader. Open the store and simply search for the word Downloader. You'll see it pop up after typing the first few letters, DOW. Make sure you select the official orange-themed application. Avoid the unofficial versions you might see. Click Install to get it onto your system. Once the installation is finished, go ahead and select Open. Click OK on the initial prompt. Great, we have Downloader ready to go. Now, you'll need to give this app permission to install third-party packages using the codes I'm about to provide. After you enter the code, your system will likely ask you to confirm this permission. I'll demonstrate this as I enter our first code. Just follow along with my screen. Click OK to bring up the virtual keyboard and type in this numeric sequence, 272483. Hit the arrow or the check mark on your remote and select Go. Give it a moment to fetch and download the installer. When prompted, click Accept. As it's installing, remember that you may need to jump back into your device settings one more time to toggle the Install Unknown Apps permission specifically for Downloader. The first player we are setting up is IPTV Smarters Pro. Once the installer finishes, hit Install. You might notice that even though the apps are installed, they don't always appear on your main home screen immediately. To fix this, just click the plus sign found on most Google and Android TV interfaces. Select the applications you just downloaded to add them to your favorites. Let's go ahead and add all 3 players now so they are easy to find. Before these players can run correctly, we need to ensure their permissions are active. Go to Settings, scroll down to your apps list, and find the ones we just added. For each app, especially IPTV Smarters Pro, make sure you've enabled the necessary storage and system permissions, otherwise your streams won't load properly. Now you're ready to add a playlist. If you have a subscription, you can use an M3 URL or Xtream Codes login. The M3U method is the most popular choice. Simply click that option, type in your unique server link, and hit Next. Just follow the on-screen prompts to finish the sync. You'll follow the same exact logic for the other players as well. When you're inputting your login credentials, please be extremely careful. These links are case-sensitive, so ensure every capital letter, slash, and dot is perfectly placed. One tiny mistake will result in a login error. In this video, my goal was to provide you with the latest installation codes and paths. I'll be dropping more in-depth tutorials soon covering advanced settings and hidden features. I truly hope this guide was helpful for your setup. If it was, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with others.